how to change the language on BlaBlaCar.com. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can change the language on BlaBlaCar.com. So if you want to learn this, ensure you watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. So the first step is to sign in into your BlaBlaCar account. Once you're signed in, you go to the page where you would see couple, you see buzz, and then by the right side you'll see options like search, publish a write, then account icon where you can see a box displayed, and in this box you'll see options like your right, inbox, profile, transfers, payment and refunds, etc. And then below it you'll see a search box display where you're living, where you're going to, etc. Alright. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to scroll down to the lowest part or the last part of the page. Now, as you scroll down to the last part of the page, you'll see different options and then you'll see language. Okay, so to change the language, just click on the box and then a list of languages available on the BlaBlaCar application or software will be displayed. So, yeah, you just select the language that you want. All right, so for me, I will be selecting Francais, and then once you've selected the language you want, automatically the language will be changed. See? Very simple. Very simple. Very, very simple. So that is how it works. This is how you can change language on BlaBlaCar. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.